Hello everyone, welcome to Dongguan Shengen. I'm Jenny, your reliable partner in high quality, rapid prototyping and mass production. In the world of sheet metal fabrication, a powder coating isn't just a color finish. It's a promise of durability, protection, and precision. But what makes a powder coating qualified? How do we know it's not just good looking but good performing? At Shengen, we've just launched our semi-automatic powder coating line. It's fast, efficient, and high-tech, but none of that matters if the end result doesn't pass our standards. So let's break it down. What does it take for a coating to earn our stamp of approval? It starts here. A qualified coating begins before the powder even touches the metal. We run every part through degreasing, rinsing, and chemical pretreatment. Why? Because without a clean surface, even the best powder will peel off like old paint. Every layer matters. A good powder coat should be between 60 to 120 microns, depending on the application. Too thin, it won't protect. Too thick, it might crack or bubble. Our line automatically adjusts to get it just right. Next is the oven. We cure each part at 182,200 C for about 10 to 15 minutes. This stage bonds the powder into a smooth, durable layer. If the timing or temperature is even slightly off, the finish won't last. From pre-treatment to performance testing, every step is rooted in expertise. That's why our team of engineers, technicians, and quality control experts all work together, not just to meet expectations but to exceed them. Want to see the difference a qualified powder coating makes? Let's talk, or better yet, let us show you.